Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new product review. This is something I really liked online and I purchased. So this is the Kashaya or the herbal tea that we all Indians have at some point of our time. But having this Kashaya regularly, at least weekly once, is very good for your health. So what I prefer to do with kashayas is I tend to have kashayas during whenever I have very high fever, cold, or a congestion, or some sort of a throat infection. It is very good. It has got all natural ingredients. You can purchase this product Healthy Panda online, and I'll post all the links where you can purchase this product. This product does not contain any sugar, preservatives, artificial flavors, or colors. It is 100% natural product, and it's very simple to follow. You just have a three-step process to prepare the kashaya, and you can serve it right away. Now I'm going to show you how simple this kashaya is to prepare. We can use milk or we can use water to prepare this kashaya. That's up to you. Now let's get started. Friends, you just saw how easy it was to prepare the kashaya. You can serve it with the sugar or jaggery and serve it as it is, but I did not add anything since we prefer it without sugar. So I'll post all the links and information about this product in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.